Today we're going to do oil and water photography in kitchen. And this is what your photo is going to look like. What you're going to need is some cans, which you already got in your cupboard. And I got some of this lovely shiny paper that I put in the middle. And a plate, a glass plate. Put it on top. Don't tell the wife. She thinks I'm working really hard. Now I've got my oil and water. I'm going to pour the water in. Put the oil. What I've done, I've got some more different colour paper, and I'm going to just move it about a little bit so I can get some interesting patterns. I'm using the manual mode. And this is it really. It's a very simple thing to do. When it's raining, just have a bit of fun with your camera. Click on the subscribe. Now let's see some of the photos I've taken.